before going to sleep. If you have someone next to you, like, oh my gosh, you should be touching the person, not the phone. One of the things that I always tell myself before I go to bed, like if I'm really trying not to bring my phone into the bed, because that I did a video, and I don't know if Elvis posted it or not, but I said, like, if you're touching your phone instead of your partner before you go to sleep, like, that's a problem. And if I say that, like, I always have to catch myself, and that's what I tell, like, my queens. I'm like, if I tell you something, it's because I have to implement it in my life too. So that's a really good thing, like, even for you to keep in the back of your mind, like, if you are going to sleep with your phone, or if you're touching your phone before going to sleep, if you have someone next to you, like, oh my gosh, you should be touching the person, not the phone, right?
So, touch the person, touch yourself, but don't touch the phone.
That's a good one.
And we don't have the phone in our we have the phone in our bathroom.
We don't have it in our bedroom. No.
So but then I wake up every morning and I pick up the phone before the alarm comes off, so I could have it, so I could put it in the snooze. And then you told me not to bring the phone to the bed anymore, and I just leave it, and now you wake up and you pick it up.
Well, because it's time to wake up.
But I love the last 50 minutes. So I set myself up. I wake up 3 times. The first time is like a warning. The second is, okay, get ready. The third is the time I wake up. So I have snooze it 3 times. So I already have a method. But now you're messing up with my methods. Now now you suffer the consequences, because we get out to pick up the phone.
You're messing with my sleep, and when you mess my sleep, that's where I draw the line.